Bollywood actor and Pataudi royal Saif Ali Khan, along with his family, faced a major setback in a decades-long legal battle after the Madhya Pradesh High Court set aside a trial court order that had made him, his sisters and mother the sole legal heirs of the properties owned by the erstwhile Nawab of Bhopal. So will he lose the control of massive properties of the Bhopal Nawab lineage, and what exactly is the rupees 15,000 crore property dispute that he and his family are embroiled into? The roots of the case go back to the last ruling Nawab of Bhopal, Hamidullah Khan, who died in 1960. His elder daughter Abida Begum was heir apparent but migrated to Pakistan in 1950. As a result, his second daughter, Sajida Begum, married to Nawab Iftikhar Ali Khan Pataudi, was officially recognized as the successor. The Government of India, in a 1962 order, endorsed Sajida's claim. Upon her death in 1995, her properties passed on to her children, Mansoor Ali Khan Pataudi and his two sisters, Saleha and Sahiba Sultan. Mansoor Ali Khan's share was later inherited by his children, actor Saif Ali Khan, Soha Ali Khan and Saba Ali Khan. But other descendants of Nawab Hamidullah Khan did not agree. In 1999, relatives including Ubaidullah Khan's family and the Nawab's third daughter Rabia Begum filed a lawsuit seeking partition of the private properties as per Muslim personal law. Their argument was that Sajida inherited the title, but private properties should have been distributed among all heirs. And that's when the trouble started. In 2000, a trial court ruled in favor of Sajida's line, Saif and family, but that decision has now been overturned. On June 30th, the Madhya Pradesh High Court ordered a retrial, ruling that the lower court wrongly assumed that all property automatically belonged to successor of the throne. The retrial is to be concluded within a year. Some of these properties were also declared enemy property. Why? Because Abida Begum, the original heir, moved to Pakistan. And as per Enemy Property Act of 1968, any property left behind by nationals of enemy countries like Pakistan after the 1965 and 1971 war is vested with the custodian of enemy property and cannot be inherited or transferred. The Enemy Property Act 1968, originally enacted in the backdrop of India's wars with Pakistan and China, allows the Indian government to seize and manage the assets of nationals from enemy countries. A 2017 amendment made the law even more stringent by barring any legal recourse of heirs and giving the government the power to sell or dispose of such assets. And since Saif's ancestors, forming part of the royal family, Nawab of Bhopal, migrated to Pakistan after partition, the property was classified as enemy property. In 2015, Saif Ali Khan challenged the enemy property status assigned by the government's CEPI department. However, earlier this year, his plea was dismissed by the Madhya Pradesh High Court. The court gave him 30 days to appeal and no appeal was filed, which means that under law, these properties now fall under government control outside the Pataudi family's claim. So what's the current status? Two parallel legal battles for Saif Ali Khan. One, an internal family dispute over succession. Two, a government claim over enemy property. Saif and family are no longer sole legal heirs, and the retrial ordered could potentially reduce their share or eliminate it entirely. And the properties tagged as enemy assets are already out of their reach. For more news and updates, keep watching Live Mint.